In Adams County, the difference between a misdemeanor theft and a felony theft can dramatically change your life, and it often comes down to just one number: the value of the property. Here's how it breaks down. Under $2,000, usually a misdemeanor. Over $2,000 becomes a felony. Any amount. Felony if it involves a vehicle, firearm, or taking something directly from a person. But valuation is often inaccurate or inflated by the store's listed retail price, the alleged victim's claimed value, replacement cost versus actual value, damage or wear that lowers value. A difference of a few dollars can be the difference between a small misdemeanor or a life-changing felony conviction. With a felony, you face possible state prison, loss of gun rights, difficulty finding employment, immigration consequences, damage to reputation and family relationships. At the McShane Firm, we challenge the prosecution's valuation aggressively. We bring in evidence such as depreciation, true market value, date of purchase, condition of the item, misidentified items. We fight to reclassify the charge, reduce it, or get it dismissed entirely. If you're facing misdemeanor or felony theft in Adams County, call the McShane Firm. The stakes are too high to face alone.